let's get started, friends. Okay, let's understand slowly how to work with installation process. Let others join as per their comfort. We'll slowly start now. So here we go. Just wait. Yes, let's get started with the installation process. So I assume we are all very new. Let's do it slowly, step by step. Before we step into the basics of SQL, let's see how to do the installations. Okay, let's see. Simple process. And before installation, come on, let's recap yesterday's class. Yesterday we did the introduction, right? Isn't it? Yesterday we got the introduction part.
Yes.
So what we learned yesterday? Yes, please. What we learned yesterday? We learned what is database, types of databases.
And
Yes,
what
OLTP, data warehouse. Then primarily the job roles. And we also learned something called DBMS, right? Database Management System, DBMS. A software to design, manage, administer databases. So different DBMS from various companies. We choose Microsoft SQL Server, which is comparatively cheaper and easier to operate. Now let's see how to do the installation. That's very simple, straightforward process. Let me show you the installation process here. Firstly, we are going to install SQL Server 2025. Any version is okay, old version, new version, anything is fine. Let's install 2025 latest version, the green one. Then we are going to install the yellow tool. Okay, green serve, yellow tool. We'll do it carefully. Once we complete these installations today, we'll see how to authenticate, means connect. Authentication means connection. Once we authenticate, once we connect, then we'll start performing our actual activities one by one. Okay, we'll do.
excuse me, sir. Sorry.
Yes, tell me, sir, tell me.
I didn't get the 2025 link. I only got.
Yeah, I'll send it after the
2022.
class today. I'll do it, sir. Give it time.
Good. Thank you.
After that. Yeah. Friends, I'll send the complete updated notes anyway. Okay, we'll do. Where we are now? Yes, let's understand carefully. Number one, server installation. Any version is okay. My recommendation, go for the latest version, save. It has more features. Let me show you how to install 2025 and provide the complete notes. Then I'll provide you the tool installation also. Then test the connections and start our practice. From where you get this 2025, let's see. Here we go. Just wait for a few minutes. Yes, you'll be having the SQL Server 2025 from the drive link, okay, or Microsoft website link. Yes, I'll provide you one Microsoft website link. Here it is. You'll go to this website link, okay. You go to website link and register. You can download, or I can give it in a drive link. I'll upload the content in a Google Drive and give it to you. That's better option. So what we do, let's see how to do the actual installation process. For installation, once you download from my drive link, you will see one setup file like this. What is it? Setup file. SQL Server 2025, you see something called setup file. Double click on the setup file. I'll mail it after the class anyway. Please observe carefully. Okay, here we go. Okay, here it is. Give the required, double click on the setup file. You get one installation center. Okay, installation center. Click on installation. Click on installation. New SQL Server installation. See, installation left, new SQL Server installation right. I'll mail you the download link, a drive link. You'll be downloading the complete folder, okay? This entire folder. Once you download the folder, you need to double click on the setup file. Click on setup file, double click on setup file, then what next? You get installation, new installation like this. Okay, installation, new installation. Then you get one extra window like this. Next. I'll repeat the process after some time. Let's stay tuned. Let's observe carefully. What we did so far, download. Once we download, then double click on the setup file. Once you double click on the setup file, then next click on installation left, new installation right. Click next. Okay, click on next. Here, your evaluation, developer, Express. Select enterprise developer. Okay, enterprise developer. Because it has no expiry. Enterprise developer has no expiry. Evaluation has 6 months time. Go for enterprise developer like this. Go for enterprise developer. And next, accept licensing terms. You'll do it after the class. Good to write your notes if possible. I'll give the complete notes anyway. Accept licensing terms next. Uncheck Azure. What we did so far, observe carefully. I'll write like this. Download SQL Server 2025. Once download, double click or open the downloaded folder and double click on setup file. Okay. Go to installation, new installation. This one. See, installation, new installation. 2-1. Second page left, first link right. 2-1. Next. Accept licensing terms. Edition should be enterprise developer. It is lifelong free without any limitations. Okay, next. Then You continue to click next. Uncheck Azure. Uncheck Azure. And check database engine. Come on, what are the types of databases we have, please? You remember? Types of databases, initial item, OLTP and
Data warehouse.
Data warehouse.
exactly OLTP and data warehouse, right? Two different types. OLTP, data warehouse. This is called a feature. This feature supports database OLTP and data warehouse databases. Check database engine. See here, uncheck Azure next. Check database engine. We have other items like OLAP, HTAP, etc. For now, to start with, select database engine for OLTP, data warehouse, two things. Okay, next. Click next. Click on next. Named instance. Give some name. Default means you get one name automatically called MS SQL Server. Or named instance. You give your own name. Any name is okay, no problem. What is that? Some name. I'll call it as SQL 2025 version. Give some name. 2025 lab. Give some name. Any name is okay. Either default or name. Anything is fine. Next. Whenever you give a name, you get one ID automatically. We are going to use both in our practice. What is that again? Specify a name to your installation. That is called instance name. One instance ID is auto created. Okay, next. Back. You give some name, you get one ID automatically. Next. Let's wait. One more screen. Say click next. This one, add current user as administrator. Leave the other things to me. Just add current user as administrator. This one, add current user as administrator. Next. Click install. I would like to repeat this process, so I will cancel. What is that? Add current user, then install. Add current user for what? As administrator. We can add current user or any other user as administrator, no problem. Okay, let me show you once again now how to work with the installation process. It's very simple, straightforward activity. Let's observe it carefully. Okay, here we go. Our requirement. Let's see. Firstly, download. Okay, I'll show you from scratch. See, I'll mail you one drive link today. That drive would have a folder. Double click, you will see setup file. Double click on the setup file. Okay, we get one installation center. like this. Come on, what is the next step, please? Please, what is the next step? Yes, next step. Installation,
Installation.
new installation. Okay, 2, 1. Yes, to start our SQL from basics, we need to have the software. We are installing the software now. Download, installation, new installation. Then we get another window like this. Next. Click on next. Let's wait. Next. It will be Enterprise Developer. Okay, Enterprise Developer. Sorry, this one. Enterprise Developer. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Uncheck Azure. Next. Come on, what we have to check here? Hope you remember, please. I will wait. Yes, what we have to check here? You remember, please?
Database engine service.
Exactly. Database engine, right? This one. What's the purpose? OLTP, data warehouse. It takes 1000 MB space. Default it is C drive. You can leave it as it is. Next. Provide the installation name. I'll say SQL 2025 lab. Give some name. Any name is okay. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Come on, what we have to do here, please? Final screen.
Add
Add
current user.
administration. Current user.
Exactly. Yes, we need to add current user. Here, there is one more option called mixed mode. Means Windows users and other users like Linux, Ubuntu, Mac, those users can also connect. They have an account called SCA. There's a predefined admin account called SCA. Set a password. Okay, give a password for SCA. We will be using this one in our next examples. Set SCA username password like this. Observe carefully. I repeat, there are two admins now. One is current user as admin. Current user means currently connected laptop user as admin. Other one, SCA, system administrator, built-in admin, predefined admin. Provide that password and leave the other things to me. Next. Install. Please tell me, shall I show you once again how to install, or are we clear? Please let me know. I'll wait. Please, shall I show once again how to install, or are we clear? Please.
Clear.
Please, I'll wait. Built-in admin account. SCA. Okay. Set the password for the built-in admin account SCA. Finally install. Okay, so this is the first step you do. Please see if we can write your observation notes. I'll provide the detailed class notes anyway. Okay, the server is getting installed. So I'll copy all these items. I'll include in the notes. Okay, this one. I'll make it straight. Okay, like this. This is the first item, the green item. I'll put this one. Okay, the green item. Download. Okay, here it is. Yes, download. Open the downloaded folder. Double click on the setup file. Installation. Accept licensing terms. Edition. Enterprise Developer. Uncheck Azure and check database engine. Installation name, and once instance is auto created. Add current user as administrator or simply provide like this. Set password for SA account, built-in admin account called SA. SA means system, remember this, system administrator. Okay, set password for SA, system administrator. Directly install. No restart required after first step. No restart required. Next, we have to install SSMS also. Okay, here you go. Main purpose of server. Let's get the purpose here. Why we're installing the server? To host or store databases and databases with data. But how to access? Yes, there comes Management Studio, SSMS. Okay, so here we go. I'll provide the drive link anyway here, and you have SSMS. What are the steps? Let's see. This is straightforward. You need to download SSMS 22. Remember, download SSMS 22. By heart these things. Okay. What is it? SSMS 22 you have to download. And double click downloaded file and install. That's it. You are done. No extra steps involved here. No extra steps involved. Just double click and start the installation. Okay, let's observe it carefully. Let me show you now. Go to download this one. I'll provide the required download link anyway, because if you go to online sources, it will ask you to install something called VS file and other things. Simply, I'll provide you one SSMS file to you. I'll provide one SSMS file, SQL Server Management Studio file, and that is going to give you one Management Studio installer. Just wait, let me show you the file. It looks like this. Just wait, okay? I'll show you the software. Just wait, I'll show you the required software download. Yes, friends, it looks like this. SSMS setup file. Just download and double click on the SSMS setup file. Once you double click, let me show you the interface. Just wait. You need to double click and start the installation. Any version is okay. Yeah, you get like this. SQL Server Management Studio, something like this. Click on install, something like this. You click on install. I repeat, firstly I'll provide you the server. Download, double click, start the installation and follow the steps. For the second one, tool, no extra steps. Just download, double click, and you are done. Back to my notes, this one. Download, double click, and install. No extra steps involved. Once you complete this item, what next? Let's see. Yes, we are supposed to test the connections. Okay, we are supposed to test the connections. How to test the connections? Let's see. So for this purpose, to test the connections, let me take you back to our, just wait. Yes, let me take you back to our notes. Step 1, server. Step 2, tool. Step 3, connect to your server. Go to your Windows OS. Okay, and apps. Go to apps. See this one. Go to apps or start button. Go to apps. SSMS. There you see the management studio you installed recently. Click on that management studio. You'll get the interface like this. Okay, so you install the server, you install the tool. Third step, you need to test the connections. So initially it will ask you for the server name like this. It will ask you for the server name in this way. Okay, what is it? Go to apps and search SSMS. Next, it's asking for the server name, right? We don't know the server name. Then how to get the server name? Let's see. Go to browse local. This is the server we installed today. See, local, install server, trust, connect. You are done. I'll repeat again. Okay, observe carefully. Firstly, server is installed. Then tool is installed. Now how to connect? Search management studio. Click it. This prompts for server name. Go to second tab, browse. Expand local, select above installed server. Okay. Next. Check trust server certificate. I'll explain what it is next classes. Say connect. Okay, and default is of course Windows authentication. It's okay. I'll repeat again. See, go to search, type SSMS like this. Go to search, type SSMS. Next, this one. Okay, management studio 22. And let's wait. See, this is the first look. We don't have the server name with us. How to get the server name? Browse on top, browse local. This is the server we installed a few minutes back. So select that server, trust. Default it is Windows, let it be as it is. Click connect. You are connected to the server. From here, we are going to learn how to create our own databases, tables, etc. Tell me please, shall I repeat again how to connect to the server? How to verify installations? Please let me know. Are we clear or shall I repeat? Please, I'll wait.
It's clear.
Sure, others please, I'll wait.
Clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Fine. Fine, guys. Okay, so you'll practice these items carefully. So firstly, what you do, I'll provide you the download and the installation screens also. Okay, here it is. Firstly, I'll call this as installation screens. Firstly, download any version. Installation left, new installation right. And next, select Enterprise Developer and then accept licensing terms. Uncheck Azure, check database engine, this one. Provide the installation name and add current user as administrator. Okay, this one. Finally, install like this. Okay, so this is what we learned today. After we do the server installation, we have the tool installation also. So you can go to this website link, download and install. The tool will take between 20 to 30 minutes to install. It's okay. You do the installation. Once your installation is complete, it may ask you to restart your computer. Now, very important, instance. A successful installation of SQL Server. It is called instance. What is that? A successful installation of SQL Server is called instance. We can install up to 50 times per OS. So each instance has a unique name, own name. For example, I said today, SQL 2025 lab like this. Remember, instance name should not have space. Instance name should not have space. Remember that. Next, types of instances. Default, named. Here, default instance name will be MS SQL Server. Remember, name means you give your own name like this. For default, server name will be just computer name. For named instance, it is computer name / instance name. Then databases for instance, 32,767 databases. See, either default or named, same 32,767 databases per instance. Port 1433, it is dynamic. It changes every time you restart the computer, it changes, the port changes. Real-time use, production, this is development and testing environments. Observe carefully. For development and testing environments, we make use of this option. Okay, with this content, so what we learned so far now, how to do installations and test the connections. Next, from here, our next step, let's see. One more important difference here. Number. Here it is the limit. Default can be up to 1 per OS. Named can be up to 50 per OS. 1 per OS up to 50 per OS. Observe carefully. Okay, I repeat again. Default means the server name comes automatically. Okay, named means you give your own name. Any name is okay, but no space. Uppercase, lowercase, anything is fine, but no space. Any questions here? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Yes, any questions here? Let me know. I'll wait. Fine. Next. Once you do these installations and 1 and 2 vocabulary items, 3 more are there. Authentication. Communication path between users or apps and SQL Server. So authentication modes, Windows authentication mode. Only Windows authentication type is supported. Or simply say only Windows users can connect to SQL Server or can connect to the server. Mixed mode means any user can connect to the SQL Server. Any user means any OS user, no problem. In mixed mode authentication, okay, here it is. In this case, I'll put this, I'll make it simple. In this case, that SA account is automatically enabled during installation. This is what we did today, right? We selected mixed mode. So SA account is automatically enabled during installation. So in our examples, we are going to learn when to use Windows, when to use mixed mode. We also need to learn something called collation, a server property to specify language settings. Especially it is used for setting up or storing the passwords. In what language you want your data to be stored, like in English or Chinese, Russian, like this. Example. Here it is. In our later classes, we learn how to store passwords. So passwords are case sensitive, right? There comes language setting, collation, file stream, a property used to store big data and perform analytics. This file stream will be used by data engineers, analysts, and administrators. Everyone, we need to use it in your later classes. I repeat again, first vocabulary item, instance. Then types of instance, authentication, collation, and file stream. Okay, by heart these new things carefully today. Collation refers to language setting, file stream refers to big data. Once you go through the theory, then comes practice. How to connect to the previously installed SQL Server. Come on, please. How to connect? How to connect, please? I'll wait. Go to search. Launch SSMS. Okay, click. Launch SSMS. Once you launch SSMS, let's wait. Yes, once you launch SSMS, you get like this. Come on, please tell me what we do next. Browse,
Select
Browse.
local.
local
Yes.
and school lab, SQL lab
Yeah, see, this
2020.
is the default instance I installed earlier, computer name. These are all the named instances I installed. Rohit, thank you. Select the required installation. Trust server certificate connect. Now right click server. See, go to server 17 is there, right? 17 means 2025. Please by heart the numbers. Please by heart the number. 17 means 2025. Okay, remember that. Next. Okay, what about the edition? Please, you remember everyone? What about the edition? Edition.
Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Developer.
Exactly. But how do we know? Let's see. Right click server, go to properties. There you go to this one, product. See, enterprise developer. I repeat, see here, right click and then properties, product, enterprise developer, like this. Observe carefully. Okay, so this is how you verify the version and edition of SQL Server. Now, what are the versions of SQL Server? See here. These are all the versions of SQL Server. Edition, go to this one. We see the edition, enterprise developer, like this. Okay, in this way. If anyone already installed SQL Server in the past, and please verify it. If it happens to be Express Edition, please install as per today's notes, the enterprise developer one. Express won't work for our classes. Install enterprise developer. Okay, so do this exercise carefully today. Any questions, please? Item 1, 2, 3. I'll wait. Connection, verification of version, verification of edition. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait.
Regarding this connection, authentication.
Yes.
So the instance will be default. What about the connection? We use Windows authentication or mixed authentication in production?
It depends. I'll be providing you the complete detailed information when to use, which it depends actually. If it is a project where majority authentications are within your network, within the corporate network, corporate we call Windows. If it is outside your corporate, then it should be SQL. Both are equally important.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine. Once we are completed with this items, item 1, 2, 3, then we have something called system databases. Yes, during installation of SQL Server, a set of 5 system databases are auto-created. Auto-created in the default installation location. We did the SQL Server, right? Installation today. Automatically, a set of 5 system databases are auto-installed. What are they? Here it is: master, model, MSDB, TempDB, resource. 5 system databases are automatically available. Master. This system database is used to control authentication to the server. Please, authentication means, yes friends, authentication means,
Verifying or checking.
yes, connection, right? Communication path between end user apps and SQL server.
Yes.
Okay, that's called authentication. Fine, here it is. That authentication is controlled by master, remember. Where is master? Let me show you now. Go to databases. See, it's empty. There is no databases. We'll see how to create our own databases next. Before that, system databases master. Okay, auto created. Next, model. Template for new databases we create in future. In future, we are going to start creating new databases from tomorrow. So what will be the template here? Model. Model will be the template for the new databases we create. Next. Then we have other one. I repeat again. First master. Then model. Okay. First master, then model. Master is used to control the authentication. Model is used to control or acting like a template for new databases. MSDB used by administrators for repairs and troubleshooting. It's like a first aid kit. TempDB used by developers, engineers, administrators, mainly for developers, developers, engineers, and analysts, mainly for temporary calculations. Any kind of temporary calculations, we have TempDB. Just like a rough work area. In our maths exam, in our childhood, we used to have some rough paper, right? For all kind of rough work. Then the answer sheet for final version of our solution. Same thing here. The temporary rough work area can be provided by TempDB. Just like Windows also. In Windows also you have temp, right? This one. You go to temp, you will be able to see the temporary locations, temp files. Similar to temp space in Windows or Mac or Linux, same way, you have temp space in SQL also. Then resource database, hidden database used internally by master. Used to allocate processor and memory used for SQL queries. This is important, our next concept. See, SQL queries will be making use of resource database internally. So more processor and memory, faster query execution. Less processor, less memory, slow query execution. What is that resource database? Remember, once again, go to your server properties. Every query we run from tomorrow, because we need to learn about tuning as well, optimizations is important, query tuning, processor, memory, these two. Come on friends, who is going to control this processor and memory? Yes, who? Who is going to control processor and memory? Resource database. Resource DB, internal. It's like my heart. It pumps blood to other parts of my body. Resource database pumps processor and memory to queries. Master is like my head. Resource is like my heart. Attendees are writing their running notes, observation notes. I'll provide the detailed notes anyway. Good to have your own observation notes if possible. Master is like my head. Resource is like my heart. MSDB is like my first aid kit. Model is like my passport size photo. Template, how I look. That's it. With this, we'll stop here. I'll provide you the Google Drive link for you to download the required software. I just now uploaded the file. It's almost done anyway. I can give you the access. Yes, so here we go. It's almost done. So I'll provide you this particular location, this particular folder, okay? You'll please download, install this software. Just wait, please. Yes, here it is. Okay, download, install. Better, we'll do this one. So firstly, what you do, download. Then once you download, open the downloaded folder, double click the setup file and step by step do the installation. For tool, you can directly go to this particular website link and download the tool. Any trouble, let me know. Okay, next. In case if you have any questions, clarifications, you can reach me on for installation problems if any. Okay, or my team +91. Okay, any one of these numbers. Okay, for any kind of clarifications or errors, please do reach me. You will complete the installation, go through the theory part carefully so that we'll start the practice part from tomorrow, step by step. We'll do it slowly. Yes, everyone, please, hope you'll help me. You'll do the things on time, please.
Okay.
Please. Great. Yeah. From today's class, I'll send you one assignment. We did the basic installation part. Anyone missing yesterday's introduction, let me know, please. Yesterday we had sorry, small introduction, right? Anyone missing introduction part, let me know, please. Yesterday's class, please let me know. I'll wait. Okay. Let's wait. I titled this as introduction. And installation. Okay. Notes and assignment. Try to work on the assignment. Please submit your assignments at our website so that my team can check and they can do the needful. This one. You have everyday assignments throughout the course. Please submit at our website, please. Please wait, friends. We'll start checking the emails in next few minutes. Yes, friends. Anyone missing yesterday's class, let me know, please. I'll wait. Emails and please check it. Yeah, email sent to everyone. Please check it, friends, and wait. Now, any questions, let me know, please. Stop for today. We'll meet from tomorrow to start our practice.